Hey, what is going on YouTube? My name is Tom. I am a seven-figure Amazon FBA seller out of the beautiful Vancouver, BC. Actually, there's going to be fireworks going off behind me. Every single summer we have these fireworks festivals, so that's going to be pretty cool. But in this video, what I want to teach you guys is why your listing is not really doing that well compared to your competitors. So if you're someone who's absolutely killing it on Amazon already, you can probably skip this video. But if you're someone who lists your product, you're trying out PPC, you're doing giveaways, and ultimately your sales are lacking, you're not really, like you look at your competitors, they're making 30, 40, 50 sales a day, you're doing 5, 10 sales a day. You're like, what am I doing wrong? I have amazing images, I have great copywriting, what is going on here? Don't worry, that is actually a really common problem. So by the end of this video, you're gonna actually figure out exactly what is wrong with your listing, because there's obviously an issue, and ultimately how to resolve that issue. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna jump in front of the computer and I'm gonna show you a couple of real life examples. All right guys, so we're in front of the computer now and I wanna show you two products, okay? These are the same products. So this one is a grass-fed beef collagen. So it's called collagen peptides. And then this one is called, it's collagen peptides as well. It's literally the exact same product. Now, this product is cheaper. Their images look better in my opinion. They have great images. They have a video at the end. They have great copywriting. They have great branding. They got great enhanced brand content. Everything is amazing, right, about this listing. However, this listing is only doing roughly $10,000 per month. Now, if we take a look at the Vital Proteins listing, the images are not even that great. It's not bad, but it's not, I would say it's not as good as this one. The price is a little bit more expensive. The copywriting is worse. They got enhanced brand content. However, this listing is doing $439,000 per month. So why? Why is that one is doing 10,000, the other one's doing 40,000 now, or 400,000, 40 times more? Now, some people might say, well, Vital Proteins is a huge company. They're a they're probably over $100 million company. Well, that's right. You're absolutely right. But let's pretend for a second that Vital Proteins wasn't a $100 million company, in the sense that they didn't have all these social proof off of Amazon and stuff like that. Why is it that this listing is doing 10,000 and the other listing is only doing 400,000? So I'm going to show you why. Now, what we're going to do is we're actually going to use a tool to dissect the problem. Now, the tool we're going to be using is actually called Viral Launch Competitor Intelligence. So right over here. Now, when you open it up, what you can do is you can click on Track New Competitor and put your competitor's ASIN in, or your own ASIN in. So let's pretend for a second that this is our listing, right? This Zent collagen is our listing. So what I'm going to show you right here is that, so it's just loading right now. Now, by default, Viral Launch says, okay, I'm going to show you all the keywords that has more than 1,000 searches per month, and they're ranking anywhere between 1 to the 50th position. Now, I don't really like this default filter, because ultimately, anything that's ranking more than 20th position is probably not going to generate any sales. So I'm going to click on an X over here, and then I'm going to click on organic rank, click on less or equal to, click on 20, add a filter. Now, once that's done, we see 4 keywords here. So these 4 keywords are keywords that this ASIN is ranking between 1 to the 20th position, and all these keywords has more than 1,000 searches per month. And right now you only see 4, okay? Now check out Vital Proteins. So exact same filter, exact same product, but look at how many keywords that Vital Proteins is currently ranking on Amazon between 1 to 20. That is a lot more. So the reason why Vital Proteins is doing a lot more, 40 times more sales than, Zent collagen proteins or whatever, is simply because Vital Proteins is ranking for probably 40 times more, if not more, keywords than Zent. So ultimately, when it comes to selling on Amazon, it's a game of ranking and a game of visibility. If you can get your product to the top of page 1 for every single keyword, you will get sales, period. However, most people don't know how to do that. Most people's products are buried in the 2nd, 3rd, 4th page. So what I want you to do right now as homework is for you to actually use this tool, and I'll link a coupon code down below. use this tool and actually do a quick analysis of your own listing. Okay, see how many keywords that you're actually ranking on. The more the better. So if you find your listing not to be ranking for any keywords between number 1 to 20, that's why you're not getting any sales. But if your listing is ranking really well for a lot of different keywords and you're still not getting sales, that has to do with your conversion. So your price might be too high, you might not have enough reviews, your photos are not good, etc., etc. So that's a completely different issue. But more oftentimes than not, people are not ranking for enough keywords. So if that's you, what I want you to do right now is, if you want to learn how we rank for products in the top 5 position of Amazon for pretty much any keyword, we have a strategy here called Rank and Bank, where we basically use full price purchases, we use ManyChat, we use Facebook, and we are actually able to pick a keyword that is relevant to our product and rank that keyword to the top of Amazon. And once we do that, we're gonna get a lot more sales. So if you are interested in that, make sure you click on the link below today, and we're gonna run through the process of actually how to do that. Now, depending on when you're watching this video, right now it's July 27th, it's actually closed right now, but you can sign up for the email list. And once it reopens, we'll send you a bunch of information about how you can actually rank your product to the top page of Amazon. And once you do that, sit back, relax, and you can see your sales increase. Hey, thank you so much for watching till the end of this video. I really hope you got a lot of value from this. And if you are interested in watching more, make sure you're subscribed to this channel. And if you've seen it till the end, give your boy a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section down below. And I will see you in the next video.